Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the rest of the part of Fun with Paint. And you have seen that this is the last part we have done, and I'm going to go to the next part for you. We are going to talk about text tool today. For that you have to select the text tool icon, then you have to drag a box in the drawing area where you are going to actually insert your text. After that you are going to do, just click in the box which you have drawn and starting to start typing your text. Okay, and also you can choose your color from the color box for your different color text over here. Okay, now we are going to talk about how to save a drawing which is already have done. What we are going to do, there are two options we can do. We can do the easier one, which actually normally used by kids or small children. We simply just click on the cross button over here. Simply just cross it, and then this box will appear. Okay, they will be asking you save changes to icon for B level heading. That means is that kind of, this is the title actually. Just they will ask you what you want to do, want to save it or not. Then you have to do what, you will say yes if you want to save it, you say no if you don't want to save it. If you want to just remove this box and keep continue with your drawing, on that time you will click on cancel. Okay, just saving it, you need to click on the yes. Then they will ask you for which name you are going to give your picture. And other way, which actually chosen by those people who actually know how to use computer, definitely smart guys like you, they will do one thing. They will click on the file, then they will click on save. Okay, or save as. If you give save, then it will like just maybe it will save as the horrified name like United Paint 2, United Paint 3, like this. Okay, so we don't, if you don't want it, you are going to use save as. On the time this box will appear and you are going to change that United name, file name, you will change it. And also you can save the types. We will know it when you get in the bigger class or upper class, don't worry. So just type your name over here and then save it. But another way, another keyboard shortcut we actually use it when it is already, we are just editing, we are just making a little bit change in your picture. On that time, if you want to save it, then just press control. By pressing control, you can press S button. Okay, so that it will be save just as it is. Okay, then we want to talk about how to open a drawing that you already saved. On the time, what you are going to do, you are going to open this program. Then after that, again from the file, you are going to choose open. Okay, you're going to choose open. Then a dialog box will come with a list of your drawings, for what you have done or what you have saved previously, and you are going to just choose your drawing. If you have given it as a special name, then it will be very easier for you to choose, and that's it. For printing a drawing, definitely you will need a printer. Okay, so in order to print a drawing, you need to do what, you need to click on the file menu, then check on the print option. Then you have to maintain this, you have to select which printer you are going to use, then how many pages, which pages, the current one or all, or any other option, the number of picture you want. If you want only one, then here only one. If you want more, then you need to change by clicking the upper side, increase the number. Then what you have to do, you have to just give the command print, then it will start printing. And definitely you need a color printer for printing your pictures, otherwise you'll get a black and white picture if you are using only black ink. Another thing, copy and paste is very simple. Basically, if you need more and more copies of your picture, you want to save in different files or folders or divisions, if you want, on the time you are going to use this copy and paste, just copy it, then paste it, okay, in your desired location. You can just paste it, okay. So what you are going to do, from the file menu you are going to click on the copy or edit menu. Oh sorry, it is edit menu. From edit menu you are going to click on the copy and select any other location, then you are going to paste on again on the edit menu. There is a secret of drawing in computer on the time. If you actually don't want to use the line options, the thickness of the line options box on the time, you can do just simply do one thing. By holding control you need to press for change the thickness, like increasing. For increasing you need to click on plus, and for decreasing the line you need to press minus, as far as I know, okay. Suppose you are using this line, if you want to increase the size of this line, you will hold on control. By holding on control you need to press on plus, so you will get the increasing line. And if you hold and give it minus, then you will go for the decreasing line size. So that's it. It will also work, the same technique will also work for brush, pen, airbrush tools and eraser tools also. This is the page of exercise, which is actually page 46. So these are the names of the tools, which is you can write down exactly from by using your book, or also you can use this page. And this is the true false answer. And I'm going to post this page pictures on the next class, inshallah. This is the last page, hopefully, and here you can say, just for fun, you can rewrite the jumble words and get these words, okay. Exactly like the previous page, I am going to post this page also. This is all for today, and with this video I cannot say that our class is over, but definitely our syllabus is over. And what I want to tell you, on the next class, when I will post the practical class and also the exercise, after that our syllabus will be finished, inshallah. And I'm hoping that again you are all fine and doing well in your home. And please keep studying, because it is very important part of your life, actually our life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.